side, but not the other side. It's weird.
No, cause look.
Yeah, I know. It's raining on this side, but not on the other side. Danny.
Whoa, I just saw lightning.
Really? The rain! It's over there! Come in! Ah! Not right here.
Whatever. What time is it?
I don't know. What time is it? Guys, watch the clock. What time is it? What time is it? What time is
Mom,
it?
what time is it? Mommy, what time is it?
7:22.
7:22. What?
23.
7:26.
7:23.
No, because when we were out there, she said it was 7:41 when the rain was coming.
No, 7:54. Mommy's number.
Yeah, I know.
And then Skylar was Grace was 7:55. Skylar was 7:56. She was 7:57. What is the time?
I don't know. I don't know where the
Oh.
time clock is.
7:56.
7:56. Oh, dang it. My time is 7:57. Tyler is out.
I'm out. Gray's out.
I'm still left in 1 minute. Hopefully it'll be raining. Then I'll be right.
Looks like Granddad might be right.
Hi, Colton. Hi. You just wake up? Did you just wake up? Hey.
Colton, be careful. Oh, did you see the lightning?
Really?
Oh, man, yeah.
Aw.
Danny, let's go.
Hi, Colton. Yes. Colton. Colton. Oh, so cute. Oh.
I don't know what's in it. It might bypass
Is it gonna come?
I don't know. Doesn't look like it. Looks like it's faded back. Bypass it. Go that way.
It might not come.
It might not.
It might not come.
I'm checking over, Mom. Checking over.
Is it raining over here? Is it raining?
Nancy, why do you people go socks on?
Huh?
You never go socks on.
Oh, that's how I wear them.